Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today, we're gonna open this package.
It has 4 Funko Pops.
He doesn't know what they are, but I know what they are.
It's 2 for him and 2 for me. It's the same.
So, do you want to open it or I open it?
I open it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm ready. How do you open this? Like from here?
Yeah, from there. Look from here.
Oh, ready. Oh, no, I'm not gonna.
Oh, you don't know? No. You could look. You're not gonna know. Oh. Here
Oh my god!
are the Funko Pops.
I love it. I can't get it out.
Okay, so
I want these.
the first one, you want this one?
Yeah, I want these 2.
Okay.
Oh. I'm excited about these Funko Pops. I've been waiting. Okay.
Okay, this is the first one. You can show it.
Okay. It's in Spanish, but if you know Spanish, it's El Chavo del Ocho.
Yeah, this one.
And this one is El Champulín Colorado. I don't know how to say it.
Chapulín Colorado.
Oh.
This one.
Is there only 2? There's only 2.
Yeah, it's only 2. And these are mine. Here.
These are cool to get. They're the best.
It's 4 of them.
Yeah, 4 of them.
2 of 2. This one.
Yeah.
This one.
I'll put it on my collection. I'm so happy.
Yeah, me too.
I loved both of them.
Me too.
Okay, so this is 751 of the number, and this one's 752. So yeah. Imagine 5 Funko Pops. Really cool. This is the back. Both of them. And
So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a big thumbs up, comment down below. What's your favorite Funko Pop out of those 2? And please subscribe.
okay.
Bye.